Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Velar P400e Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre petrol plug-in hybrid engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Arios Grey. Starting our journey from the front of this vehicle, where you will find your matrix LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading on the sides, you're going to find further features all courtesy of the black exterior pack, as it sits with utmost pride on a set of 20-inch alloy wheels. To the rear, you'll notice your privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the sleek look of your rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a vast amount of boot space, where you'll also be able to locate both your AC and DC charging cables. To the rear of this vehicle, passengers will certainly enjoy their ebony perforated Windsor leather seats. And glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 20-way heated electric memory front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last, whether it be on or off-road. Glimpsing over now at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design with a wide array of features at your disposal, and your 11.4-inch PV Pro touchscreen, before we finalise our journey by looking up at your fully sliding panoramic sunroof. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Velar, which we have here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we cannot wait to help you find your next Land Rover.